Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to write a review on the Komoot application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the profile icon next to the record button at the lower bar on the screen, and new, click to the settings icon at the upper side of the page. In the Komoot section you can find the write a review option, click that, and in the Google Play you can rate the application and just add stars, for example 5 or 3 or 4, and just click that and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys, see you in the next one, bye bye.